Hello everyone, welcome back to Master Claude series. So in this video, we'll be discussing about models and efforts in Claude. Talking about models, Claude offers different model family designed for different use cases. Like we have all these models present inside Claude. So Opus is most usually it is most capable kind of model, and it is best for complex reasoning and multi-step tasks. When you want to do something, when you are not aware about your task, okay, and you want to start the analysis first, you want to go on a plan mode first before executing anything. Suppose you are creating a website from scratch and you do not know how many services will I need, what database should I choose, okay, and which design pattern should I follow. So you do not know anything about your next move. So in that case, you should use Opus, which is very much capable in this kind of reasoning and planning mode. So you can use that. And then comes the Sonnet 4.5 or Sonnet 5 we have today. Okay, so these models are very balanced for performance and speed, and on the token front as well, these are very much optimized. So this Sonnet 4.5 or Sonnet 5 are very good for your day-to-day tasks because it can save you a lot of token as well, and they are very pretty much stable and good for handling all your development related stuff. Haiku, on the other hand, is a very lightweight model. It is fastest among all and best for your simple task when you want to manipulate minor CSS. Okay, so some minor tasks you can perform using Haiku. And now the Fable is the latest one that is introduced by Claude. It is for extended thinking and for deep reasoning. When you think that this task will need a lot of deep research, lot of deep reasoning. This is the newest token and it should be used only when you want to do a deep research because it is very token heavy and it will use a lot of token. So these are some models. So we can select which model is best suited for us on the basis of our need. Then comes effort level. Once you are set with your model that okay, I want to proceed with Sonnet 5 and I'm good with that, I want to do some development tasks. Okay, I know my requirement and I know what to do. So let's move ahead with Sonnet. Then what effort should I use? Then there are 5 efforts: low, medium, high, X high, max. So low when you need fast response and minimal reasoning. When you know that you know the context properly and Claude will not have to think any deeply. Okay, it will not put much effort on it. You know the context, you provided the context in detail to Claude in your prompt and you set the effort as low and you get the output. Okay, but if you do not have the correct context of what problem you're solving and use the effort low, so it might hallucinate and it might create some vague answer as well. So be very sure when you are using effort what should you choose. Okay, so medium is the balanced one for reasoning and speed, so it will have this good speed and good reasoning combination. Then we have high, which will do some more analysis. Okay, when it will be doing some changes for you, so the effort will be little bit higher, it will use a little bit higher token. Okay, and it will do more thorough analysis. Then comes X high for very deep reasoning and very comprehensive analysis, and max one, it will take a lot of token. This should you use when you are totally new to any technology and you do not know anything about that code and you do not know anything. You just want that task to be done at any cost. So in that case, you should use max so that maximum reasoning in depth will be followed by Claude code. So now let's move ahead to our Claude code and let me show you how you can choose between different models. Okay, so we are inside our Claude code. So to select your model, you will have to type /model. Okay, so before proceeding for any task, you have to first select the type of model you want and type of effort you will have to apply. Okay, so once you hit this command, you can see it sets the AI model for Claude Code. Currently, the Sonnet 4.5 is selected, and once you hit this command, it will show you a list of all available models for you. Yeah, so the default one, it is currently set as Opus 5, and the current one we are using is Sonnet model. And then we have Fable 5, which is most capable for the hardest and longest running queries. Okay, also the token is also associated with everything. Okay, so the type of model you use, the type of effort you use, the token is associated with everything. Okay, so Fable will take little more token than Sonnet. Then we have Opus. Then we have other models also, because before Fable, the Claude introduced Opus model, and it has different version of Opus available. Some best for everyday tasks, some are legacy one. Okay, so there are different model with different contexts. Accordingly, you can choose one and you can set, and once you choose that, you will see that set model for Sonnet 4.5 and saved as your default for new sessions. Now your model is set. Now you will have to select what effort you will be putting for your next task. So as you can see, it will set effort level for your model usage. So once you hit it, you will see something like this. It has some option of low, medium, high, XI and max that I've already discussed about. Okay, so as I told you, low effort will take less token, but the answer could be vague if context is not clear. Medium one will take little bit higher token, but it will be a balance of token and speed. Then we have high, XI and max, and the max one, as I've already told you, it will take a lot of token. So be very sure while using setting the effort level to max. So once you hit this command, it will set the effort level for you. So that is how you set model and effort in the Claude. Now I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.